All right, guys, so good morning. Welcome back to the channel where we get a little everything Jamaican. And we're here with Miss Doyle again. Miss Doyle, say good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so the other day when we did the video with you, we realized that the head that you have for the
It never gone.
the regulator, it wasn't working. So we purchased one, and so we just come to install it for her so she can at least get to cook in our house, you know, cook on the stove,
Because
use
this
it and so
morning,
on, rather than going
yesterday when
outside.
I left, I never had no fish kind, you know. And I can't, I said, where me fi go?
Yes.
Go down at Judy. I said, I can't walk fi go down at Judy. And I say, I go on my cousin around here, so let her run at Earl. Around here, so. And Mandy and daughter.
Yeah.
And I say, Mandy, I want to go cook.
Yes.
Me a piece I am. And I want to tray with 2 finger banana. I can't pop off and go cook. I don't know fish kind. I want a piece of saltfish.
Yes.
And he said, no. So I just sit down. And when me look, I see come with one lovely piece of saltfish he is going to give me.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, man. As in, give me get up.
Yeah. Because you're going to cook. You want to come and cook.
Yes, yes. And when me look, me see out there, one fan something they have up in here where, I don't know where do too light.
Yes.
And in a pig, some yam peering panny. Me beg him some fi come give me pig.
So, all right, Miss Doyle, we're going to come in now and just see if we can fix the regulator for you.
In a house here, rega. You know say, I would fire me make up this morning.
Yeah?
I had to my overnight food.
Oh, that's the saltfish and yam and banana where you cooked yesterday?
Yes.
Okay.
Mint tea.
Oh, you had mint tea this morning.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, go black up yourself.
No, give me put it on.
Put it outside pan the stone.
Okay.
Yes. Me have a wonderful dinner last night. It's nice. It's nice, Miss Hotel.
That's good, man. That's
What you say me fi
wonderful.
do?
No, we just want to fix the regulator for you. So
Me take off, let me that if anything.
okay, do what you're doing.
I go like, if you see, you know. See.
Alright, we got put on the new regulator.
Let me sit down here, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I want to clamp the pan it, you know.
Oh, we did not see that. So, Miss Doll, we never remember there was a clamp on it. We're saying there was none, so we went and bought one.
Want what?
It's just this little thing here. But we have one. So any one of them work, we use it.
We're just using new one.
We use the new one.
So this one I wish one, the one I may have a long time?
Yes, that's
yeah,
the one.
because it's a rusty.
Yes.
Oh.
Want a knife?
Likkle girl, let she rough me up, you know?
Give me a knife, please.
Okay. All right, she want pass.
Ma. I rubber man, I take. What you do with
Oh,
you?
I got try to outside, Mr. When I finish.
Oh. It's hard to go in there.
A bit tight.
Also, see me a seat, you know?
Okay, good. It went all the way up. Nice. Nicely done, Mr. Kemp.
Thank you, ma.
Okay. All right, so
Alright.
let's check around at the back and see.
You're supposed to not work on it, then we take it back.
Yes, Miss Doyle, but it's alright still. The same thing.
Yeah. Okay.
This one can't turn.
Why this one look like this? It says minimum though.
You see, when he can't spin one lady, he let me want something and me spray.
Okay.
I him she can spray and then start
They're
spin.
off now. So you used to use the stove, Miss Doyle?
Yeah, no, me stove when me
Just
name,
checking. I smell
when me
gas.
did name,
Turn it on.
when me did
Yeah.
name Miss Doyle, me buy this and this stove and that little bed there.
Okay,
That
okay.
if anybody come wants, me not like sleep with people.
Okay, okay. Hold on, let me back up. Okay, yes. Yes, Miss Doyle, inner things now. Whoa,
there?
look at that.
Me get me stove.
Yes. Wonderful.
like-
Oh my God, look at that. So you don't have to go outside tonight.
No. Like this man, you know, me
You have to
want-
move those things though,
Yes, me
the
I go
bag
move.
and stuff.
Take them down at once. Give me.
Aha.
Give me them. A bush me have in them.
Yeah, and you have to probably...
So see all kind of things.
Okay, good. Very nice. So, Miss Doyle,
What me I go do for you?
you don't have to
Right,
do...
let me see.
What me I go do for you?
You don't have to do nothing for you, Miss Doyle.
God,
Pray for us.
Oh God.
Pray for us.
Yeah. Me a Sabbath tomorrow me gone at church.
You go to church tomorrow?
Yeah,
Which church do you go to?
Down a road there, so it's Sabbath.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I know that church, yes.
So me can't walk before.
Oh, so you just go right there.
And then me I go long time, years now.
Okay.
Me understand it. No.
Not that one,
Me-
Miss Doyle.
This?
This one is for the oven. You don't use this one
Oh.
here. And don't put your hands so close to the flame, it will burn you.
She probably need
Oh,
one.
this is for the oven.
Yes.
Yes.
So this one is for the front one. This is for the front one. This is for this one. The back one here.
Oh,
This one here is for the front one here again. And this is for the back one.
yes.
So this is for front and back. Them have fit them a two on this side.
God bless you. No.
Yes,
Alright,
ma'am. God
Miss
bless you
Doyle.
too.
I don't want me no
You're
more.
gonna need, she gonna need one of those lighters, the one where she, you know, with the longer thing on it, so she not have to use the matches. Well, you're good with the matches for now, right, Miss Doyle? You're good for use the matches for now, for light the stove.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
We have to come back and take this out of the house still, you know.
That cylinder there. You don't want the two cylinder in here.
No, but this one.
You
to on the outside.
can get rid of it for me.
Where you want it to
Just
go?
keep it.
Eh?
Keep it.
And do I don't know if you put
You
it.
want to
Where
put
you
it in
find
the
store?
outside kitchen for now?
No, it a go spoil up out
Oh,
Alright, Miss Diana, see when you get when you have a kitchen, we can have them in there. So you have one full and you use one.
Oh, so this can use because
Are the same thing. You can
the
have it.
regulator they hit use with that, you know.
Yeah, but that can fit it too. The
oh,
same thing.
oh, so no trouble it.
No man, keep it.
yeah.
Yes,
Miss
little
Diana,
while.
leave it.
Little while me hear them a talk about the
You plug them there when you reach it.
Okay, so you don't have no light on night time. My charger you use.
and the bulb have to move from out there. So I want the card. I know it a go.
Oh, so the lighting needs
When
set
they
up.
ready for fix it, oh stop for me, you can.
Yeah man, because you have put bulb in the
Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, Miss Doyle was just explaining to us that during the night she don't have any light. I guess there's something wrong with the connection or how the place was wired. So she don't use it because
me
it's not
don't
effective
use
or not working properly right
fire,
now.
they pop fire. Poof.
Yeah, yeah.
Me have to, me no know oh, me get that the talent. They so say switch off back the junction box.
Oh, so you saw the fire and from that, you know, use it. Okay, so you've been using the phone charger light since then?
Yes, and the light up in my house.
Oh, but it wouldn't be adequate light. It's not enough light, not true?
Me no want to feel light bright and that.
Oh, you just want it to
right.
be dim.
But me then want me light up there, yes.
Okay.
He man no do it. Oh, over there so. You know how me come by all that piece of pipe there with the wire we come down in it? When me did live over there so.
Okay.
A GPS. Them string me house, you know. And when me pay me light bill, the pay go through for the wire and something with it. All them wire we run them wire. A GPS.
Oh.
So when me move over there, so the same wire come over here, so.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
And then,
All right, so guys, so Miss Doyle, this morning, Mr. Kim just go measure the roof for you, so that by the time we're ready, we'll know how much Solitex and lot we're going to need for up here. All right?
yes, I Solitex is seal up there.
Yes, so I'm just going to measure it this morning for you, so we have an idea.
Yes.
Right?
So we are going to turn up now.
Oh my God.
Eh?
We're not going up there, Miss Doyle.
Oh.
I'll measure it from down here. So.
Yeah. Miss Doyle, did rat them not give you no trouble last night?
Cause me no hear my lick down brum.
Oh, that's good.
No must see true, then see you, then say they don't want nobody in here.
Yeah, they don't want to go on camera, so they not come back.
No, that's
Oh my God.
yes, they ain't come, man.
Yeah.
But then fridge are no good, you know, look then.
What happened to it?
Look how this side, that's so rusty.
Oh.
And you see the same material make this, make the fridge make this car. See there, so, and it depend that.
Oh, they're starting to
I
rust.
told them me buy one time, you know.
Okay.
Then the time they may have it.
Yes.
I'm glad for you see, man. But earlier they come take up Centros here for me. In tell them about the carpet on my floor.
Okay.
Yes. I know when tell them.
So Marcel, you want something to write down the measurement? Oh, yes.
Everything they talk about, you want it up there? You want me wally for you?
21 by 12?
You want me wally?
No, Miss Doyle, it's alright.
Okay.
The done me finish.
Oh.
That was quick. All right, so pretty much just doing the measurements so that by the time, you know, we get assistants, which we're speaking into being, we'll have those measurements ready and wouldn't have to come back to measure.
I beg my daughter, one charger, the one named Felicia. You don't know Felicia?
No, Miss Doyle.
No, her name? Bama.
Yeah. Oh, Banga. It's a Banga phone. Okay.
Still can't go
But you want little credit for go on
But
it?
then say a DigiSelf credit.
Or digital credit to use. All right, no problem. When you go on the road, we send you some credit. This is it, Miss Doyle. We are gonna leave now. So you know we'll call you, and when we don't call you, you'll see us. All right. So that is it for this.
When me not see one, me hear no hope.
Yes, you will call we. Because you have the number written on the kitchen.
Yeah, me not feel right if I know what else when I'm this room
Yes.
go out there.
Suppose you need to in a night.
Me go out there same way.
Okay, all right.
We go out there in a night.
So guys, Miss Doyle has our number written on our kitchen. We use charcoal and we wrote it on like the old time way. So if she needs us, she know where to go exactly to find the number to call us.
Yeah.
All right, so that is it for today, guys. See you next time. And until then, thank you for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Bye-bye. One love.
Boy, me thank you for the regulator.
All right, no problem, Miss Doyle. All right.
See, the red part up, it on.
Yeah.
So when you turn it, spin it around like so, it turn off now when you see blue part.
Oh, I don't want to tell me turn it up.
Yeah, when it turn it around, so you see blue red
Yeah.
part.
The
so
red.
turn
Yes,
on.
turn
Yeah.
it back now.
So this it turn off now.
Right.
God bless you.
And which one like this?
This one.
Which one like this one?
This one.
Which one like this?
This one.
Which one like this?
The one there.
Oh, but you
Okay.
remember. You know?
All right. Very
Remember.
good.
And the oven now the one there. But you
No,
have
no, the oven is
the
out.
one you have for the oven. But this always stiff.
Yeah, but remember, you're not using the oven because it's not so wonderful.
No, it light in there, you know.
But it's just that there's nothing to rest anything
But through
on.
the cotton,
The cotton,
I'm afraid to use
Don't
it.
Yeah,
use it,
yeah.
'cause, we are gonna clean it out one of them days.
Anytime.
Take out everything out there.
Me want big Dutch pot. Oh, take it. No, see, me carry away this. Me want big Dutch pot. Must round this so. When me ready, and me want bake milk pudding. Me go use wood fire.
And
Yeah.
bake the pudding. Okay, okay. All right.
The curtain and did me use the same way.
Yeah? Okay. So you say you don't use it over 1 year now?
Yeah, over 1 year now.
Oh, so that's why you think
That they over a year now, the gas.
The
Oh,
full,
okay.
The full cylinder.
Yeah, the full one.
Oh.
Oh, so you thought these weren't working because you haven't used it over a year?
And sometimes, that's why Stephanie, no come and see no. Stephanie, me tell Stephanie say, every minute me hungry. And sometimes we can't wait for no cooking. Maybe if she buy this, give me.
Oh, the kettle?
Yes.
Oh,
She
okay.
buy, Stephanie buy this, give me. I say, if you boil up my water and draw me tea.
Okay.
Because she knows I love tea.
Yeah, so Stephanie, you see, mommy have our stove now, so she can put her tea on our stove and she not have to go outside. So you not have to get too hungry again because you can't just turn on the stove and go to.
All right, you see, yesterday if me never get a piece of saltfish from my cousin, me just plug in my kettle.
Yeah, make some tea. Yeah.
Come me a chocolate. If I want to make me tea, me a Lasco. Make me tea and drink and me biscuit or bread.
Yes, yes.